Okay, hope you are fine, people. So in this video, we'll look at calculations and the cost of electricity. So I have an example with me. So an immersion water heater is marked 240 volts, 2 kilowatts, and runs for 120 minutes. If the cost of 1 unit of electricity is equivalent to 0.80, what is the cost of running this water heater? So solutions. Under cost of electricity, we need to understand the formula to say cost is equivalent to unit, then you multiply by money. Unit is made up of power in kilowatts, and time always in hours. So whenever you're calculating for the cost of electricity, ensures that power should be in kilowatts and then time should be in hours. So if we can get the information which you have, so our data, we have our money. So money is 0.80. Then what else? We have time. So time is 120 minutes. Then we have power of 2 kilowatts. So we're looking for the cost, which we don't have. So the first thing here, since money is in kwacha, which is fine, now we need to convert time into hours. Since we have 120, we'll say 1 hour is equivalent to 60 minutes. Then we have 120 minutes, so minutes to minutes. Then what else? We're going to put our x here. Then we cross multiply. So we are saying x is equal to 120 minutes, we divide by 60. Then 6 into 12, we're going to get 2. So our answer, we have 2 hours there. So that's a conversion unit. Now from here, we can say costs is equal to power times time times money. Then what is our power? So our power, we have 2 kilowatts times our time, we have 2 hours. So when you multiply these two, you're going to get 4 kilowatts per hour. So this is now the unit. So we have 4 units now. Then you multiply by 0.80. Since 1 unit is equivalent to 0.80, meaning that 4 units should be multiplied by this one. That is what we are doing. Then from here, if you multiply, so 4 you multiply by 0.80, we are getting 32. So our costs is equal to 3.2 kwacha. That is how we do the calculations under the cost of electricity. So let's look at another example. So from example 2, we are saying the cost of electricity for using a kettle is 80 kwacha. The cost is 80 kwacha at the cost of 0.65 per unit. 0.65 per unit. Then it takes 5 minutes to boil water in a day. And the kettle is used for 30 days. What is the power rating? So from here, we need to understand 2 things. Number 1, what is the question demanding us to do? Then the second thing is, what information do we have from the question? So let's extract the information you have. So in this question, we are saying our cost has been given already as 80 kwacha. Then money, we have 0.65, that is per unit. Then time we have 5 minutes. Then also have days now. So days, it was used for 30 solid days. So this information is the one you're going to use for us to come up with what the question is demanding us to calculate. So remember, in the previous video we said time should always be in hours. So we're going to change 5 minutes into hours. So how do we do? Now we'll say 5 minutes over 60. Yes. So 5, if you divide 5 by 60, so you're getting 0.00833. So meaning that per day 5 minutes was used per day. Now, so we have converted now these minutes into hours, meaning that per day now, so per day now we are having 0.083 hours. So now we have converted that one to hours. Hope you're able to see. So we have converted now from 5 minutes into hours. So instead of using 5 minutes per day, in hours, we are saying 0.0083 was used in terms of hours per day. Now, this electrical calculator was used for 30 days. Therefore, we will say 30 times 0.00833. The 3's are recurring. So if you multiply that one by 30 days, you're getting 2.5. So our new time now, is 2.5 hours. That is the first part to do. So having done that, now we can say cost is equal to power times time times money. Remember that power times time, these are representing unit. P times T is a unit. So the cost is given. So we have 80 kwacha, 00 already, which is equivalent to power is the one we're looking for. We don't have. What is our money per unit? Our money per unit has been given as 0.65. Then, before that, I've jumped one part. Power then times time. Our new time now is 2.5. So 2.5 hours, then times money, which is 0.65. That is what we have. So we need now to calculate the value of P as our power. So we'll say P 2.5 you multiply by 0.65, we're getting 1K 1.625, which is equivalent to this 80 kwacha. So we divide by K 1.625, K 1.625, then you cancel. So our power, now will give us what? So we're saying 80 divide 1.625. We're getting 49.23 as our answer. So this is power. So we put it in kilowatts. So that is how we do the cost of electricity. So whatever the question comes, first understand the data which you have, then know what you're looking for, then manipulate the figures which you have been provided with to find that specific question. So thank you for watching. We'll discuss more. If there are any questions, please you can comment. Then after comment, then I'm going to check your comments. Thank you for watching.